Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss wireless communication. In the last video we discussed about what is mobile computing and what is wireless communication. So further we discussed about the further topics. So wireless communication is the transfer of information between two or more points that do not use electrical conductor. As we already say or discussed about what is wireless communication and what are the purpose of wireless communication. Types of wireless communication, that is satellite communication, infrared communication, broadcast radio, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth technology, etc., which we are already discussed in the last video. So now we are going to discuss about types of satellite communication. So what are the types of satellite communication? These are the telecommunication, broadcasting, and the data communication. So what is telecommunication, or what telecommunication offers to the users? Telecommunication means the electrical transmission of information over distances. That is the telecommunication. Means the electronic transmission of information over the distances. Means we can transfer any information from one source to another destination just via satellite communication. This is the first type of satellite communication. After that, broadcasting. What is broadcasting, or what broadcasting do? Broadcasting is the electronic transmission of radio and the television signals. Means we can transfer any information via radio signals or the television signals. That is broadcasting. This is the second type of satellite communication, and the third one is data communication. What is data communication do? The data communication exchange of the data between a source and the receiver via form of transmission media. Means the data communication can transfer any information from source to destination via transmission media. Means it needs a intermediate to transfer any information over the network. So what are the examples of telecommunication? The example of telecommunication or the telecommunication network are the computer network. So we can communicate from the one device to another device just via computer network. So there are the number of computer networks, that is LAN, MAN, WAN. So LAN is a local area network, MAN is a metropolitan area network, and the WAN is a wide area network. LAN is for the small setup, for the setup of the network. Means limited number of systems are connected for the communication. Where MAN is a metropolitan area network, where we can set up for the city wise network to form a communication, to establish a communication. Where wide area network is a worldwide area network, where we can use number of systems for the further communication. So this is all about the computer network for the telecommunication. After the internet, just because of internet we can communicate with each other, we can use or handle our social medias, we can share any information within a time from one source to another destination. This is also another example of telecommunication. After that, telephone network. So via telephone network we can share our feelings, our emotions, just because of we can sharing our voice exchange offers. We are exchanging our voice from the telephony or via telephone. After that, the global telex network. The global telex network means the custom or the customer switched network of teleprinters similar to a telephone network using great connecting devices. Means it is a global telex network where the customer is switched network from teleprinters where to network switch using great connecting circuits, or the great connecting circuits for the transferring any information over the network. After that, across or aeronautical across network, that is the network is digital data link system for transmission of short message between aircraft and ground station via airband radio or the satellites. And this is all about the telecommunication networks. So just with the help of these networks we can communicate with each other, or we can communicate, or we can establish a communication between one device to another device. After coming to the broadcasting, what broadcasting do? Broadcasting provides the types of broadcasting. Means we it provides the frequency to use a radio or to access the radio information, or we can entertain us just with the help of television. So these are the types of broadcasting, that is television, radio, podcast, blogs, advertising, website, online streaming, and the digital journalism. These all are the examples of broadcasting. Means with the help of broadcasting, we can access any information as a live we can access any information over the worldwide information. After that, five components of data communication. These are the five components of data communication, that is destination or the target device, that is receiver. While we want to share our information or we want to communicate with a person, so there were obviously we need a sender and the receiver. So destination, target, and the sender. After that, sender source must send the data to the destination. After that, transmission media, while we want to talk with one another person, with one person to another person, if you want, I want to talk with you, so this channel is the transmission media which is providing the information to you. This is also the example of data communication, as we can say general example. After that, protocols. With the help of some set of rules, we can communicating with each other, or we can sharing our information to each other. This is the protocol. Because we are using this platform to send any information, so we are following some of the protocols to share our information. So this is all about types of satellite communication. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about application cellular communication from first generation to fourth generation. So thank you being here.